What are the elements of nature? Water, fire, air, and earth. That the heat of this love will burn and melt even the elements. How can water can melt? How can earth melt? But not for the purpose of destroying, but for the restoration. Because God is going to restore the heaven and earth, creating a new heaven and earth. Remember, God is not a God of destruction. He is the God of creation and restoration. So He's going to cleanse this earth with a very more than literal fire you can imagine. But not to destroy, but to restore. The entire universe is clean. You will see how the Lord will restore it in a very beautiful green, blue planet Earth again. To the greatest world, all things animate and inanimate, moving and unmoving, in their unshadowed beauty and perfect joy, declared even in the death of our loved ones who choose to die, even the death of the wicked because they choose to die, it's still in the name of love and mercy.